And welcome everybody to this MakeCode for Minecraft Education Edition episode. My name is Pelly and I work for the MakeCode team here at Microsoft in Seattle, Washington. And my assistant today
is Nell.
Nell's going to be driving, and we're going to be doing some silly Minecraft game, I think, today. Now, we are in Minecraft Education Edition. If you're a student using Office 365, you should have access to that. So you can sign in with your school account. And if it doesn't work, there's a link in the video that explains how you can turn this on for your school or your district. You can also do all this stuff online and host it, so you can actually play and code with your friends if you want to do that. All right, so a lot of information in the video if you're watching this on YouTube. If you want to follow along, you can right-click 2 times on the YouTube movie and do picture-in-picture, and you'll be able to follow along. And that being said, let's go now. We're going to do a new flat world, I think, because we're going to be doing something like, let's create a new one. How about show coordinates? Yeah, it's always useful. Always day. I don't think we need the day, so that looks good. Yeah, you want to make sure you got the options compatible with your game. If you're planning to spawn monsters or to play with the weather, you make sure the weather is enabled.
To have your peers
Ooh,
in creative mode, players can freely choose to build from any of the blocks.
Press C on your keyboard or touch the agent icon at the top of the screen. I think if you're on iPad, you're getting an icon. We're in a desktop PC here. We don't see it. But if you're playing Minecraft Education on iPad, you'll see an icon. All right, this is our good old flat world.
Never gets old.
And we're going to be going to our code section. And if you click the first time, you'll be going to this menu. And we're going to be choosing the Microsoft MakeCode solution. Alrighty. And there's plenty of tutorials where you can build superpowers or things like that, but we're going to be scrolling down. Oh no, tutorial, we haven't done it. Yes, Spleef. So the game of Spleef is you build a platform on top of lava, something very soft like snow. And then everybody goes into survival and tries to dig under people's feet. And if you fall in the lava, and then you die.
What happens if you're only playing with one player?
We're good. We're going to have to figure that out. We're going to do a modified Spleef game. All right, how about we zoom in a bit?
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Put
good.
in on chat command and rename it to Spleef.
Oh, cool. All right, so this allows us to run code from the chat command in the game. Spleef. You can change the name. If it's too hard to type, we can do something else.
Sleep.
Sleep. We're only do sleep. All right, what's next?
Ooh.
Woohoo! Oh my!
Place a fill inside on chat command and create a layer of lava on the ground. Between the player position 0, you may keep on.
Yeah, so we've got, let's see. I think it's giving a lot of information. It's explaining us what fill is doing.
Can we do less?
So, yeah. There we go. So we've got a fill command between 0, -1, 0.
Gotcha.
You want to create a layer.
1, 0.
It's -1.
Oh. What?
So remember, the Y is up and down. This is your altitude in the world. And the tilde, the wavy character here, tells you it's relative to the player.
Okay.
It's going to be 1 block under us, and since we're in the world, you go back to the code.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Since we're standing on the ground, -1 is going to be right under our feet. And what about the other one? -1, 10, 10. 10 minus 1, 10. So those are the x. So this east, west, altitude, and north, south. So this is going to create like an 11 by 11. Are you going to fill with dirt? All right, we better be creative. I think we're going to be standing straight on lava. Let's try it. So we have a chat command. We're going to use enter or T to enter the chat and type Spleef. I don't think cap matters. Let's try it. Yeah. And kaboom.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We have a huge play area. So that's going to be a play area. That's going to be the lava area.
I've got a problem. My agent can float.
Yeah, the agent floats. He doesn't care. You don't. You're burning.
Oh wait, I forgot to change the person, but yeah.
All right.
I feel
Okay.
like digging a bigger hole. Never mind.
Never mind.
That's for later.
That's for later. All right. So we've done this step.
Ooh, look how fast I'm going.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm going somewhere new.
All right.
Put another fill and create a layer of snow in the air between the player position. 0, 4, 0, and 10 blocks away from northwest. 10, 4, 10. Okay, we really don't need to read this. It only
Oh, what does it
us.
say? Ooh, the hint.
It just says, I can't really read.
Yeah, it's explaining 4 blocks west, 4 blocks up, 0 blocks north. So we're looking at 0 and then 4 above our heads, yes, and then still 0. Keep tabbing. Now 10 away on the east-west side, still 4 because it's flat, and 10.
Let's see if we did this thing right.
And we think we want a different block,
I know.
something soft. I think they use snow, so it's really easy to dig in. Snow. Oh, does this work? Let's try it. I wonder if it's gonna fall.
I know, but that's sort of the point.
Well,
We
no.
have nobody to play with, so
Yeah.
it's gonna fall.
No, let's run it. Let's see if top snow is gonna work. Might be even a better block. Oh yeah, it falls. Okay, that's no good. We need a block that stays in the air.
Well, that might be just snow.
So let's go back to code and let's go back to snow. All right, let's try that. And we press T.
Just right here.
Yeah.
So
Move
there's
move the mouse over the
Oh.
T. Move the mouse here, then press up arrow. Well, the mouse is there. And you don't have to retype everything. And yeah.
Help.
We don't close Minecraft. Oh, that was close.
Yeah, now I want it.
Oh, now I want it. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it digs super fast.
That's probably because I'm in creative mode.
Yeah, but if you would go in survival, it digs as fast as well. And step in. Oh no! You know what? I'm gonna recruit a player.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Well, here I'm just gonna be dying.
Emil, can you join us on the Minecraft?
Here I am. Yep. Load. Okay.
All right, it'll take a few minutes to recruit our player, and meanwhile we can finish our game.
Oh yay. Ooh.
Yeah, grief alert. These kind of mods tend to destroy your world. So, do you have a computer?
Oh yeah, I'll look at one. Add a number parameter on chat command called number1. In the blocks, click on the plus symbol to add the.
So what we're gonna do is instead of being always 10,
it's
we're gonna let you specify the size in the chat command, which is really cool.
I want it to be big.
All right, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna add this variable.
Can I just look on the hint?
Just plus, okay. Now go into variables and drag that into every place. Yeah, that's good. Every place there's a 10, I'm gonna put that. There we go. And one more downstairs. And one more.
There you go.
Now let's go and see the next step.
Good.
Spleef 25 in the chat.
Can it just be spleef?
Well, now you have to specify the size.
Oh.
So we're going to do T and Spleef 35. Why not?
Can it spawn me on it or something?
Yeah, I think that's the next step in the tutorial. That's actually a great idea. Let's take a look at our coding session. So now we've made it so that we can have as big as an area. You know, if you have a few hundred friends who come and join the game.
I think it might be overlapping.
Yeah, they start to overlap.
Oh, well, this is some big platform. Okay.
Let's take a look at the...
Sorry. Okay. Place a teleport to position at the end to select all players and teleport them to number hint.
Number 1/2, 5/2, 1/2.
Can I do hint?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first we're going to teleport the players. So just drag that at the bottom. Let's move the code up. Okay. And there's different queries, so you can teleport.
Oh.
Let's teleport the entities, so we've got something to play with. Bring the computer here, then we'll tell you the host.
Oh wait,
code.
do I first start to host right now?
Yeah, let's get into hosting mode.
Okay, so.
So if you want to turn your world into, you want to invite friends,
Just click start hosting. Confirm.
click start hosting, and then it'll show you a code. And if you're in the same school district,
Okay, Emil, it is.
I know.
you can invite your
Carrot.
friends. So Cake, Carrots, Alex, and Fish. So if you're in the same school district and on the same version of Minecraft Education, you'll be able to join them in the world.
Cake. Wait, can you join it? Oh no, Daddy. You are. Oh, we have to go to my account.
Oh, right. Don't forget it. We're going to have to change account
Emil, we have to change account.
because I'm on the Microsoft account here and Emil's on his school account. Well, that was a good attempt. We forgot that detail now. We're gonna teleport the entities and we'll play with them. We can spawn a few pigs or something. All right, let's go back to the code. If you're at home, you can definitely host with your friends, with your classmates. So we're gonna drop them at the middle of the entity. So we're gonna do divide it.
I don't know what I have to do here.
Oh, so what you're gonna do is, you know what? Let's just ballpark it. We're gonna do 5, 5, 5. So 5 up is gonna be 1 above the station, and 5 is gonna be kind of on the corner of the station. All right, let's try that. You kind of
We
want
have to go far, far away.
You want to go back to the ground.
Are those donkeys?
Yeah, they're gonna be with us because
Yeah.
we're all gonna teleport them on the Spleef.
Right here.
Yeah. T, Spleef, and kaboom. Oh, there we go.
There's, is that a little pig?
Yeah, that's kind of a.
I'm
Oh, he touched the lava. All right. But now if you dig under their feet,
What?
wait.
Oh no!
No, they'll fall. They'll fall.
Good thing
It's a hard game.
I'm in survival. I
Well, we're gonna have to fix that. Yeah, it works.
I'm gonna kill my little agent.
It floats. Good
I
job.
know, but still, he must fall down.
Let's go back to the code. Let's finish. I think you pointed an important detail that for this game to be fun, you have to be in survival.
Okay.
So let's go in the code and change that. Now, the tutorial actually tells you that if you want to put them in the middle, you do a bit of math. So you go in math and you go division.
Nah.
Come on, let's do that. And
Not-
here you're going to do number. But I get you. It's online learning. We're all struggling here. And divide by 2. Imagine you go number. What is it? That's your place, and then you hit the middle. You could just clone it. Do a duplicate.
Okay.
No, the whole thing. Yeah. And snap that guy in there. Yeah.
Bye bye, my fellow friends.
But we let's do the creative change.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be a good one. Actually, let's go to the next step. Yeah. And we want all the entities.
All players.
I guess the entities are always in survival mode. Just do all players. Yeah. So you've basically teleported everybody to a location above the snow and the lava, and everybody's now in survival mode.
Let's get this.
And see, now we're a bit more in the middle of the station.
People. Bye bye, little chickie. Chickie. Oh wait.
See, now it's harder because you're in creative, so you have to dig further.
I thought you guys said it was easy.
You need to equip. Maybe there's better blocks.
I use a stick.
You need a better sword. So before going to the game, you better go mine and build a sword of sorts.
No. You don't know. You could go here. Oh, what does this do?
That tells where you're gonna spawn the next time.
Oh, okay.
What are you trying to do? Give yourself some weapons? You want to teleport yourself? What are you trying to do now?
I'm trying to get it to creative. So you go slash.
Oh, there's all kinds of commands in the chat. Let me move out of the way here. No. What do you want?
I want to go to creative.
Oh, it's game mode. Game mode? Well, you could just do a chat command in MakeCode, just for that mode. A lot of the commands, the blocks you find in MakeCode are actually slash commands.
Game mode.
And then now you do creative. I think if you tab now, it's going to complete it. Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Yeah, creative. We're back.
Now. No, I don't want to go here again. Now you go to E, and then you can get everything you need. So
Right, you need a
pickaxe.
pretty good pickaxe. Diamond, there you go. Doesn't get any better.
Then we need axes. Then we need swords.
Oh, you know what? How about we equip players with it in the code?
We have no other players.
No.
Yes.
How about we equip players with... How about we put pickaxe on the world? Oh, no, we can give pickaxe. We can give things to people. How about you go to MakeCode? Okay. Diamond person.
Okay, yeah, we're ready.
All right, so go back to the code. C. All right, so let's keep going. I think we're done. We're gonna finish and then we're gonna improve this. So one thing that we discovered that if you don't have the tools, it's too slow. So we're gonna give every player a good item. I think if you go into that should be. How about we search?
Give player?
Give, yeah. Give, all right. You can give stuff to all the players.
Oh,
And you want to give them pickaxe. Oh, you know what? I think we have to go into. Oh, where's the items list? Is it in mobs? Item. Drag this in.
Oh.
Diamond pickaxe. Kill the player.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah. Drop your pickaxe so we know. I know, it's hard.
I can't really find. There it is.
There it is. All right. Oh, we have an. Oh, you took it back.
It's just too hard.
Okay, let's go
saying
somewhere else.
bye.
Yeah, say bye-bye. So we need to test that it actually works. I don't know what chickens are going to do with pickaxes or fish because they don't have
it's
hands.
Fun. No.
Keep going up. Keep going up.
Oh.
See, it has a whole history of everything you've written. Oh, there we go. Hey, you got a pickaxe. This is working. But we had a title and we've got a game that's ready.
Die. Wait, where are all their pickaxes?
Well, they don't have hands. I think only players can have an item.
Ooh.
Yeah, now they kind of explode really fast.
You know what? I'm just gonna. Ooh. Oh, I feel like giving my agent a pickaxe.
It doesn't have any tool. Or maybe it does. No, I don't think so.
Ooh, I just kill him. And then.
Now, how about we add a title to
Okay.
this game? So we've used title to explain what the game is. Title. Let's see it. Show title. And we're going to show that to every player. And the title is going to be Spleef.
Oh wait, there's supposed to be an L.
Spleef. And subtitle is going to be Dig for Your Life.
Plop.
Plop. All right, let's try the game. See how this runs.
I'm stolen. Uh-oh.
You're gonna die falling off. No, you're not gonna die. Only gonna lose a bunch. Okay. All right, let's run.
It goes so much quicker when you fly.
Fly away. All right,
Okay.
let's try it. And to recap, we're gonna dig a pool of lava, put a layer of snow, teleport all the entities on top of the snow, give ourselves a pickaxe, and we didn't see any title.
What? And I give my.
Did we see any title? I don't think we saw any title. Let's put the title at the back, at the end, using Control. And move it down. Undo. Undo. So click Control.
Oh.
Put Control, then click, and drag it all down. And now we're going to show it to only the players.
Oh, okay.
See. All the players.
Oh wait.
No, you need to give yourself all the players.
All players.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's fly away. One more attempt debugging this little game of Spleef.
We're trying to go so fast. Why won't
All right, I
it
think
let
we're
us
good.
fly?
Maybe we should write code that just takes us somewhere else.
No, we're far.
All right.
I see that while I'm still walking.
We could like do code that just takes us like 1,000 away.
Whoa.
Spleef pop! There we go. That's our game.
How am I on fire?
Because you spawn lava under your feet. And then you moved. That's the game.
You know what? I'm just gonna kill him, die.
And of course, it's way more fun when you play with your friends because you have to jump around all over the place.
Uh-oh. Ew, this is bad.
All right, now let's take a look and final look at the code, and that's going to conclude our session today. And let's maybe zoom out a bit so we can see the whole thing. All right, we did a layer of lava, a layer of snow, teleport all the entities on top of it, go to survival, everybody gets a pickaxe, lucky people, and show the title to start the game.
Oh, yay. This is
All right. And that concludes the video for today, and see you in the next episode on the same channel.